In this video, I'll detail how to get Google Gemini AI on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and you want to download and use the Google Gemini AI application on your iPhone, here's a quick video for you. So if you download this video, you found this very helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing to do to get the Google Gemini application on your iPhone is go to google.com. So search for google.com on your browser and then search for Google Gemini AI iPhone app. So that Google Gemini AI iPhone app, search for that. Then once you search for that, scroll down, then click on Gemini app. So this is going to take you to the Google Gemini homepage. Then once you go to gemini.google.com, just scroll down a bit. Then you should see download Gemini AI. Then click on download on the Apple Store. Once you click on download on the Apple Store, you should see what that says. Get Google more way to search. First, you need to install that. Then you should see what that says install. Go ahead and tap install. Go ahead and type your Apple ID password. Once you type that, click on the sign in button to sign into your Apple ID account. Then you should see done. This is going to go ahead and download the Google Gemini app on your iPhone. That is get more ways to search. Now, once you've downloaded and installed the Google Search More way to search, this is the Google AI apps, open it, then hang on, then that is it. So you can now go ahead, you should see here the Google Gemini real-time update from Google. Turn this on, then you may allow this or not, then that's it. So you can go ahead, allow notifications on the Google Gemini application to identify sound. So then turn on microphone, come back here, then you can translate with Google, search inside photos from your camera. If you click on that, this is going to access your iPhone camera. Tap allow access, then allow full access. Then if you click on this, this is going to make use of the Google Lens to use the camera to identify images from your device. Now, once you open the Google Gemini store to use Google Gemini on your iPhone, all you just need to do is come here and click on this Google Gemini icon, then tap use Gemini. That's it. Then you can just go ahead and start using Google Gemini on your iPhone. So then you see that good morning, then come here, type whatever you want to type. So what if type how to use Gemini AI on iPhone. So this is going to give you the overview of how you can use Gemini on iPhone, and then that is it. So that's all you need to do to get Google Gemini on your iPhone and then start using it. So found this really helpful and informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.